Next one. Now if you see each and every question, one model. This is question contains numerical values. Answer also contains numerical values. Question contains numerical values. Answer contains variables. Third model. Question contains variables. Question contains variables. Answer also contains variables. Question contains variables. Answer also contains variables. Answer also contains variables. Question contains variables. Answer contains variables. How to solve this model? Idea is to give you familiarity across multiple concepts of questions, right? Every class should give you a lot of new concepts. Question is, find all the values of P such that 6 lies somewhere between the roots of the equation. If the roots are alpha and beta, 6 lies between the roots of the equation. What is the equation? It is x square plus 2 into p minus 3 into x plus 9 is equivalent to 0. X square plus 2 into p minus 3 into x plus 9 equivalent to 0. Right? What is the way to solve this question? Please see here, sir. This is a question based on inequality, quadratic inequality. This is the question based on quadratic inequality. Quadratic inequality. How to solve? There are lot of conditions. Let us use our common sense. Let us use our common sense. If we can get the roots of alpha and beta, if we get alpha value and beta value, we just need to check whether 6 is lying between alpha and beta. Alpha and beta. Now if you see here, listen carefully. Option 3 is omitted. Why? Because if I take p equivalent to 3, does 3 lie from 0 to 6? Yes. But if I substitute 3, this will become x square plus 9 equivalent to 0. Square is equivalent to negative. It is not possible. That will come in complex numbers. It is not possible. P is equivalent to 3. It is not possible. Next one. If you see here, P is greater than minus 3 by 4. Is 3 greater than negative? Definitely yes. So it is also not possible. Is 3 less than 6? Yes. It is also not possible. If P is less than minus 2, minus 3 by 4. Minus 3 by 4 is minus 0.75. I need to take a value less than minus 0.75. If I take P equivalent to minus 2, if I take P equivalent to minus 2, I need to take a value which is less than minus 0.75. Minus 2. What will be the equation? X square minus 10x plus 9 equivalent to 0. So x is equivalent to 1 comma 9. Does 6 lie between 1 and 9? Definitely yes. Beautiful way of solving this question without mugging too many quadratic inequality condition. Question is x square plus 2 into p minus 3 into x plus 9 equivalent to 0. P equivalent to 3 I eliminated. Why that idea P equivalent to 3 came? 3 minus 3 is 0. So these eliminated. P3, 3 is greater than negative value? Yes. Is 3 less than 6? Yes. Right? So I took a condition. P is minus 2. If I take minus 2, sir, from where you got idea minus 2? Simple, I substituted. P is less than minus 3 by 4. What is the negative integer less than minus 7.4? Minus 1 or minus 2. You can also do some other value. So I took minus 2, I got a condition. So I don't need to check this value. I don't need to check this value. I hope the idea it is very much clear to you. Question contains variables, answer contains variables. How to do it? I hope it is clear. Now this question is based on surds and indices. This question is based on surds and indices. Surds and indices. Surds and indices. One of the most important model in surds and indices is how to solve the problem if it is a decreasing series. It is a decreasing series. If the signs are all plus, 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 the value is increasing. Plus, 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 the value is increasing. There is a plus, there is a minus. There is a plus, there is a minus. It is a decreasing series. Whenever the series is a decreasing series, the best way to solve the problem is approximation. The best way to solve the problem is approximation. The best way to solve the problem is approximation. Because the value is decreasing, you can take some values and check it out where is the answer. Just to see here, assume here, very logically we will solve the question. If this is not there, if this is not there, what would have been the answer? X equivalent to root of 4 plus root of 4. After 4, if minus is not there, answer would have become 2, 2 plus 4, 6. Answer is, it would have become root 6, but it is 4 minus. Under root 4 is 2. Under root of 4 minus is less than 2. 2 plus 4, 6. That means x should be less than root 6. X should be less than root 6. I hope the idea it is very much clear. 4 plus 4 minus. Under root of 4 is 2. 4 minus, that means the value is decreasing. So, less than 2 plus 4, x will be less than root 6. X will be less than root 6. X will be less than root 6. Next it is, x is equivalent to root of 4. Assume if this value is not there, under root 4 is 2, but it is 4 plus, that means x is greater than 2. That means x is greater than 2, which is 4. X lies from root 4 to root 6. X lies from root 4 to root 6. If this entire portion it is not there, root 4 it is 2, it is root 4 plus, answer is greater than 2. Here if it is not there, root 4 is 2, 2 plus 4, 6, it is 4 minus, that means it is less than 2. X is greater than root 4 and less than root 6. X should lie from root 4 to root 6. Now if you see here, sir, how to determine this value? 3 is root 9. Answer should be less than root 6. Answer should be less than. So if 3 is root 13 is greater than root 9, this is not possible. How to find out the approximate value of root 13? Step number 1. Root 13 lies between which two squares? Root 9 and root 16. Root 9 is 3. 13 and 9, it is 4. 16 and 9, it is 7. Approximately, it is closer to 3.57. Approximately. This is how you find the approximate value of a non-perfect square. Root 13 it is there. Root 13 lies between which two squares? Root 9 and root 16. Root 13 is definitely greater than root 9. 3 plus. 13 9 difference is 4. 16 9 difference is 7. 4 by 7 is 0.57. Answer is close to 3.57. So this will be 3.57 minus 1 divided by 2. 2.57 divided by 2. It is 1.28. Answer should be greater than 2. This is not possible. Please do not write it out in an quadratic equation format and find out the x. Again see here, I went to 2 steps. After 4 it is minus. After 4 it is 2. 4 minus, it is less than 2. Less than 2 plus 4 is less than root 6. X is less than root 6. After 4, everything eliminate. Root 4 it is 2. It is 4 plus pause, 4 plus. That means answer should be greater than 2. Answer is greater than 2 and less than root 6. Answer is greater than 2 and less than root 6. That means x should lie from root 4 to root 6. I hope this point is clear. Root 9 is greater than root 4. Out, out. Root 13 approximate value. Root 13 lies between root 9 and root 16. Root 9 is 3. 13 and 9, it is 4. 16 and 9, it is 7. 3.57, I substituted, I got 1.28. X should be greater than 2. I hope the idea it is clear. Whenever there are decreasing series related problems, decreasing series